Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're working day-to-day life PDF related works or edit PDF, modify PDF or update PDF. So might be UPDF, one of the best platform or software. Using this one, you can very easily save your time compared to Adobe Reader. This one is more lightweight, affordable, and even if you download UPDF software, you can save much more storage as well. If you use Adobe Reader, so you can consuming your hard drive space greater than 1 GB as a price perspective as well. UPDF yearly subscription is very minimum compared to Adobe subscription as well. Adobe subscription is a more expensive compared to UPDF. Now I will show you how to download this one and how exactly working UPDF software in your laptop, no matter Windows or Mac. Let's start. So just simply open Google, type here UPDF, enter. The first link is display here. Even this is the application is also available for smartphone devices also. I just simply click here in my Mac. This is the official link. I already added this link in video description. You just simply click here. The software size after clicking just only 6 MB. You just simply click again, zip file to unzip, and just simply click twice. Open this one. I already installed, but this is the process you should install very easily. Very minimum and very lightweight. The software installation is very fast. This is the framework of the software. Here bottom of the screen, some of the different tools is also available: reader, PDF editor, and compress the PDF, convert, merge, OCR. So many features are available. AI tool is also available. If you click here, so AI is generating here. If you want upload your PDF and ask any question related on your PDF, so accordingly you can summarize, translate the PDF, paper search or scholar research as well. Cloud services is also available. 1 GB space as a free one. No need to pay single penny if you use these services. How you upload here the PDF? So just simply say here open file. Where is your file? You just simply open this one, and this is the upgrade PDF related information. Here the much impressive way you can very easily check your page here. The thumbnail size is coming here. If you want to edit something, so you just simply click twice. You want highlight this one, you can very easily highlight the specific word. Just simply click twice, highlight the select the particular line or particular paragraph. You want highlight something, so if I click here highlight, so like this. You want delete something if you are professor, or you want read research article if your student are sending you, you just simply select this one and tell them no need to this line, you should delete this one. Start speaking is also available. Type lines, so you can read the particular line or particular paragraph as well. Using dictation option is also available here. The line is also available. Undo option is available here. You want to write something, this one need to modify, so you can add here. Suppose for example this is the line, so your student are clicking here, so which message are providing this particular line, you can very easily check here. If you want update or edit, it's very easy. Just simply click here twice. So here edit option is coming. I just simply delete this specific line, and afterward click here. So my entire paragraph and all information as it is, no disturb. If you use other software, so your entire PDF should disturb after doing this activities. That would be is really impressive. If you want add here some of the images, so you can very easily add this pictures, image as well. As a demo point of view, I just simply add here my personal image. Look at this here, is not disturbing anything or any line as well. Same as it is, if you want add your signature, you can apply the same thing as you work normally. Here the link option is also available. You can use the link as well, invisible, visible link. So accordingly you just simply provide the link here, insert the top link particular page, or here the form related option, breakdown, list box, button, image field. Compared to other software, UPDF is one of the best as my personal opinion. I use so many different things. So look at this here, the chat section is also available. Everything is done. You can add here the images add some of the pictures as well, and everything is completed. You should save this file as well. It's successfully saved, and afterward I just simply open here the file, and the file is saved like this. This is the really impressive and amazing software. I already added my referral link is available on video description. So this is the simple video how to use UPDF, and as my personal recommendation, this UPDF is one of the best editor as a lightweight and very fast working. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.